There are restomods, and then there are the kind that make you rethink what a classic car can be. Totem Automobili definitely falls into the latter category. You may not be familiar with this small Italian workshop, but they produce one of the most striking Alfa Romeo-based restomods on the planet. It's called the GT Super, and the latest iteration to come out of their workshop is the Jarama. This particular car's 2.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine is paired to an OpenShift 6-speed manual transmission, producing 670 horsepower. This special build takes its name from the historic Jarama circuit, where a GTA Junior 1300 triumphed in a grueling 4-hour race during the 1972 European Touring Car Championship. Like any GT Super, the Jarama is a head-turning beauty, but it sets itself apart with a number of special touches that Totem doesn't have on the 40 examples it plans to produce. The GT Super Jarama features Totem's own carbon fiber bodywork, painted in a deep Blu Cervino color that is more classic than showy. The Totem adds to the exclusivity with CNC-machined side badges that combine Alfa Romeo's Cloverleaf emblem with the Jarama script. Inside, Connolly Cognac leather covers the seats, headliner, and side panels. The Italian firm has also added 2 vintage Tag Heuer chronographs on the passenger side as a nod to the golden age of racing, when even keeping time was a manual, analog operation. The rest of the cabin is finished in expertly machined aluminium and carbon fiber. There's also a gorgeous open-gear, gated gear lever with exposed linkage. Powering the GT Super is a 2.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine developed by Italtecnica. This engine features 6 individual throttle bodies, direct and port fuel injection, 4 valves per cylinder, and, as standard, produces 591 horsepower, 441 kilowatts, and 516 lb-ft, 700 Nm of torque at 7,200 rpm. The Italian company also offers a more powerful version of this engine that produces 739 horsepower, 551 kilowatts, and 627 lb-ft, 850 Nm of torque, although a plaque in the cabin of this GT Super reveals that it has 670 horsepower. An OpenShift 6-speed manual transmission is the only option, sending power to the rear wheels via a limited-slip differential. Totem didn't put a price tag on this special build, but in case you're wondering, the GT Super starts at €539,000, about $584,000 at current exchange rates, in its most basic form. Of course, that's before you start adding options and personal touches, which could easily push the final bill above $700,000. At that point, it's less a car and more a carbon fiber show body with a gear lever.